I welcome you back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to grow your broiler chickens fast and how you can achieve 3 kg and more in 6 weeks without using a growth booster. This method is scientifically backed, and if you follow everything I teach in this video, you will achieve a great result in your production. This is not one of those videos teaching you how to grow your broilers using baking soda, pawpaw leaves and all. This is scientifically backed up. The first thing you want to consider is your day-old management. That is your day-old chicks management. When we are talking about day-old chicks management, I'm referring to where you source your chicks from and your brooding setup. Sourcing your day-old chicks from a very reputable hatchery will help you achieve a good result. The type of breed you are getting to will determine your results, because some breed performs better than others. And when it comes to brooding setup, you want to ensure the correct temperature. You want to ensure the brooder is not too hot and not too cold. You want to use the right bedding materials. That is, you want to use either a wood chaise, a sawdust, a rice ox, and also have the correct depth of beddings and ensure there is 24 hours light for the first 1 week. And also for your beddings, you want to ensure that you are using the correct depths. You are not just using your beddings sparingly or managing your beddings. You want to ensure that the depth of that bedding to the floor is accurate for you to get good results, especially for the first 2 weeks of their life, which is the brooding stage. And also for the first week of their life, you want to ensure there is 24 hours light for the first week of their life. So the second thing you want to consider is feeding for faster growth. You see, for you to achieve a weight of 3 kg in 6 weeks, you want to give your broilers balanced starter and finisher feed. And a bird should consume between 4.5 to 4.7 kg of feed. The people that achieve good results, that is, they achieve 3 kg and more in a space of 6 weeks, the only reason they are able to achieve this is because they feed their birds the right quantity and quality of feed. You don't want to feed your birds with 3 kg of feed and expect that kind of result in 6 weeks. It is not possible. One thing about broiler production is garbage in, garbage out. It is what you give to your birds that your birds will give back to you. So for you to achieve a weight of 3 kg in 6 weeks, you want to feed your birds between 4.5 to 4.7 kg of feed. So there are people that will tell you that it's not possible for you to achieve 3 kg in 6 weeks. It is very possible. You can even achieve more. It all depends on the quantity of feed you are giving them. But make sure that you are not feeding your birds beyond 5 kg of feed in 6 weeks. So this can cause overfeeding, and it can as well cause a certain disease. So if you want to feed your birds for 6 weeks, ensure that you are not feeding them more than 5 kg of feed for that 6 weeks, and then you definitely get a good result of 3 kg on an average weight, or even more than that. But for you to get that result of 3 kg, you want to feed your birds between 4.5 to 4.7 kg of feed. With good management and right practice, you definitely get that result with this amount of feed. So the quality of feed too is another factor. Ensure you are using professional starter and finisher feed. The third thing you want to consider is housing. Ensure you don't overstock your birds. If your pen can only take 200 chickens, do not stock more than 200, as this can cause overcrowding, and the extra birds you are adding will compete for space, thereby alter their growth rate. Overcrowding can reduce the weight of your birds by 20 to 30%. Even if you feed your chickens 4.5 kg and they are overcrowded, instead of you to achieve 3 kg weight, you might end up with maybe 2.5, 2.6 or less. So What I'm trying to explain is that, let's take for example the housing you are using. You want to stock your birds with can only take 200 birds. Ensure that you stock only 200 birds. If you stock more than 200 birds, for instance you go ahead to stock 250 birds, the 50 extra birds on that 200 will have to compete for space for the 200 birds. So a space that 200 birds is supposed to be in, and they will grow very well. That means those extra 50 will have to compete for it, and as a result of this, it's going to shrink them. So instead of you getting an average weight of maybe 3 kg when you feed your birds, 4.7 kg or 4.5 kg in a space of 6 weeks, you might end up getting an average weight of 2.6, 2.7, or even less than that. So that is what I'm trying to explain. And aside spacing, you want to ensure good ventilation, because ventilation is another factor, as poor ventilation can cause heat stress and ammonia buildup, which can lead to disease that might cause loss of appetite, resulting into weight loss. Also, ensure that your litters are properly managed. Try your best to always have dry litter at all times. So that's the third thing. And the fourth thing you want to consider is the health and medication program, your medication and your vaccination program. So ensure your chickens are medicated and vaccinated at the right time. As they hold, always place your chicks on glucose and multivitamins for vitality, and also try every means to prevent disease outbreak like coccidiosis, Newcastle disease, infectious bronchitis. And as a result of this, you want to have a medication schedule as well as a vaccination schedule. If you do not know what vaccination schedule is, kindly watch this video pinned on this video right now to understand what vaccination schedule means. So ensure that you prevent disease outbreak on your farm, as diseases can make your production fail or drop if not handled with caution. And the last thing I'll be talking about is your biosecurity. Ensure your biosecurity is very tight, and also practice the art of record keeping to track growth rates and feed conversion. So if you are the type of person that you do not keep record, it is very, very important for you to start keeping record, so that you'll be able to detect if there is crisis or if crisis is coming up. So you want to track their daily mortalities, that do you used to have the number of mortalities you used to have. You want to track their daily feed intake. This will help you track their feed, whether there is a change in their feed intake. The moment you realize that your birds are not consuming enough food as they are consuming before, with that record keeping, you'll be able to track where the problem is and start looking for solution. So record keeping is very, very important on your farm. And with all of these, your chickens will grow big and faster. There is no shortcut to growing your broiler chickens big. All you have to do is the right quantity and quality of feed under a good management will give you a very good result. So if you find this video helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification so that you don't miss out when next we post our new content. So guys, I will see you in the next video. See ya. Bye.